Okay, yeah, my name is Sydney, and I live in Birmingham. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
Tell me about the event. How have you enjoyed it? What have you
Okay.
learned?
Yeah, the event is still good. I'm enjoying it every time I come. This is my second event coming, and I'll just advise to anybody who wants to come, they can just come along, and it's worth it. It's really worth it. Yeah,
Amazing. How
yeah.
how is it being around Samuel and the team? What's the energy like?
Oh no, it's good. Samuel is the best. He's the best. He's the leader. What can I say? Yeah, everyone is been good. Can't complain, and yeah. I mean, I've just been happy. I've just been happy all along. Yeah, I've just been happy.
Nice. I'll take a few
Yeah.
steps through left.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
And to anyone who's thinking about getting into property, what would you recommend?
Okay. Yeah. This is the right time. Thanks to Samuel, who keeps giving us more information, and they should not think back. Yeah, it's the best decision. Basically, it's the best decision to take. Yeah.